Ever pondered what PTSD is and why it impacts some people while others seemingly remain untouched? Post-traumatic stress disorder, better known as PTSD, is a mental health condition. It's often triggered when someone experiences or witnesses a deeply distressing or terrifying event. It's important to understand that PTSD isn't confined to soldiers or individuals who've lived through extreme trauma. It can touch the lives of anyone who's been exposed to a traumatic event. So remember, PTSD doesn't discriminate. It can affect anyone who's been through a traumatic event. PTSD can be a silent invader, creeping into life with symptoms that can be hard to identify. The most common signs include flashbacks, where the traumatic event feels like it's happening all over again, and severe anxiety that doesn't seem to let up. Nightmares can also be a common occurrence, making restful sleep a distant dream. And then there are the uncontrollable thoughts about the event, circling in your mind like an unwelcome guest. It's important to remember that these symptoms may vary in intensity over time and can be triggered by reminders of the traumatic event. Recognizing these symptoms is the first step towards seeking help and starting the journey to recovery. So, what should you remember about PTSD? Let's recap the essentials. Post-traumatic stress disorder, or PTSD, is a mental health condition that anyone can experience after a traumatic event. It's not limited to any specific demographic or lifestyle, making it a widespread concern. The symptoms of PTSD can be as diverse as the people it affects, varying in intensity and form. Some individuals may experience flashbacks to the event, while others might grapple with severe anxiety or struggle with uncontrollable thoughts. Understanding these signs is pivotal to recognizing PTSD. Remember, knowledge is power. The more we understand about PTSD, the better we can empathize with those affected and encourage them to seek help when they need it. Understanding PTSD is crucial, as it leads to greater empathy for sufferers and helps in seeking timely intervention.